So, hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati, and I welcome you all for the morning market briefing. So, it's the last day of the February expiry, right? 24th. And if we go and check the SGX Nifty, so this will not be a good morning for a lot of people today because market is already down by 2%, right? It's almost like 340 points down from the yesterday's closing, and its market is trading somewhere around 16,750, right? Uh, Now we have discussed, if we talk about the technical charts, so this was the pattern that has been formed in this, and we were discussing market is trading in a range. तो 17,500 का level जो higher side पे था, we know that was a resistance for the market, right? And this was a good support. Now market might be opening below this range. Okay, what do we do when market falls below, break this range, and how do we trade it after this? So probably it's expiry day, so probably we could expect more of the volatility in the market specifically. So if market falls down, market do have a tendency that it will short cover, right? Okay, so if there will be a short covering again back to these levels like 18,000 16,850, that could be the good level to go short again. If market shows a sentiment of the downside, still shows the downside sentiment from here by looking at the OI data. Because it's expiry, we are not going to be focusing more on this OI data specifically because probably there would be a lot of rollovers happening. So this data might not be a good thing to watch right now, probably few days before the expiry. If we go and check this for next expiry, I'm not going to check for the current expiry as of now, because if you see that 16,500 only shows a addition on the put side, right? So let's go and check the next expiry. So in this expiry, we can see 17,000 again has a good addition, but probably if market opens below this, we are going to have a 16,500 as the support, and 17,000 and 16,800 would be working as a resistance once market will be opening below this range. Okay, so that is the view as of now for the Nifty. Let's go to a Bank Nifty and check it. So probably if market is opening by that much fall, so we anticipate that Bank Nifty will also break this range anyhow. So market इसके नीचे trade करेगा तो could be like downside. We can only see 35,000 as a level, right? Because this was a good congestion area in this probably in the month of December somewhere here. Okay, so let's see how Bank Nifty behaves after market opens. If we check OI data, again, I'm already continuously saying there is no clear sign from Bank Nifty on this particular thing. And if we go and check this here, so you can see, so 37,000. So let's check for the next expiry only. So probably market could be taking, hit on this particular level. So 37,000 could be a good support. After that, 36,000. On the higher side, 38 and 37,500 would be a resistance, right? Now, if we check the SGX chart, so that's we can see that's a live chart we can see here. So you can see that market has actually break this range on this chart, right? It's giving you very severe close on this below this range or the daily chart. So probably further breaks that level, we can anticipate 16,400 could be the market level. This was the reference low for this move. So probably 16,400 could be the next level we are anticipating if market sustain below this, right? Rest, let market open and then we'll see how it behaves, right? Okay. Now let's come to the top gainer and losers yesterday. So Crompton, DLF and GSPL were the top gainers yesterday. Gujarat Gas, India Bulls Housing Finance and ONGC were the top losers yesterday. If we go and check the index contributor, so mostly we can see IT and FMCG are showing a bit on the positive side, private banks, oil specifically on the negative side, and capital goods, right? Okay. If we go and check the built up side, so FMCG, fertilizer, infra are showing bit of on the higher side. A short, you can see these are the four sectors specifically rest in the short covering and long unwinding. Now, if we talk about the stocks, Now market is actually opening very with a severe gap down specifically, so very difficult to find stocks right now. But still, we'll try to see if we get some stocks out of here. So we'll do the same process because it's down market. So if we go and check like 14, okay. So these are the all good. These stocks are very good to trade because all are showing a short covering. So Cipla could be another good choice again, because from last 2 days is showing a short covering. So again, Bajaj Finance could be another choice, right? And we can, like you can see. So let's select some stocks probably. So Kotak Mahindra Bank would be good choice because it was a short earlier and then it continuously short covering. So I love to see Kotak Mahindra Bank here. Yes, so this could be a good choice. So probably if you see the OI data does not coming with a good significance here. So let me just see this. Okay, so Kotak Mahindra Bank is showing a short covering after this move, right? And if we go and check the here for next expiry, I would be looking at, so exactly at the point. So 1900 highest call is the level where probably stock is trading right now, also 1890. So this is taking a resistance at this level. So if you see the technical chart, probably the stock is taking resistance somewhere around 1900 levels only. And so if we see this technical chart, you can see there is a trend line is also there. So any further downfall from here, so probably take the stock back to the same levels. So could be I'm anticipating 1750 levels in this particular stock again. So we can go and create a short position with a stop loss probably at 1950. Sorry, 1900 and probably 1920. That could be the maximum level we can look for. So Kotak Mahindra Bank would be a good short stock first. Second, again, if we go and check, probably we can go and check Bajaj Finance. Okay, so Bajaj Finance again, it's consolidating in this range actually. Okay, so we could go and again if we see this Bajaj Finance here, so that's for the short covering move actually. So this is whole a short covering move, and we can go and check this open interest here also. For next expiry, I would be going with March 1. Okay, so 7,000 call option, put option is shows a bit addition. So if that breaks on the downside, we can go and create a short position in this stock. Okay, so Bajaj Finance could be a short below this. Any rise towards 7200 would be another selling opportunity, but 7,000 is a good breakdown level. So we can anticipate at least like 66 and 6400 levels on the downside if that breaks, right? So both the stocks, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Bajaj Finance could be a short level, right? Okay. Now, if you go and check the ban list, so idea is the new addition specifically. India Bulls Housing Finance and PNB are the stocks. Now we can also check the option gain and option pain level, but with this huge gap down, probably these levels will be like again obsolete as of now for this specifically expiry, right? So let's wait and how market opens, and then we will try to comprehend how market behaves after that, right? So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.